This is it, isn't it? How far are we away from balancing supply and demand, given what has happened on the demand side?
Yeah, that's exactly right, and we're still pretty far away. Is the honest answer? You're looking at losses of right now as much as 35 million barrels a day of demand from all these globalized efforts to keep people off the roads and out of airplanes, and that just so overwhelms the 10 million barrel a day cut that it's you're seeing tankers being filled with oil, storage tanks filling up, and these cuts that Saudi Arabia and Russia are promising aren't even going to start for another 2.5 weeks until May 1st. And so in the near term, we're going to see storage be overwhelmed, and we're going to see producers in certain parts of the world, like the U.S. and Russia and Canada, be forced to shut in because there's nowhere for that oil to go. So in the near term, we're going to see prices still a little bit bearish.
Dan, we are seeing oil prices track higher today in Asia trading, but what level of commitment do we need at the bare minimum to see a sustained price recovery here?
What we need is for these lockdown efforts to end and for the economic recovery to be pretty strong. I mean, what OPEC is doing now, they're not expecting to rebalance the market by themselves. What they're expecting to do is buy the market time. If they can reduce the amount of oversupply, that could give storage, instead of 20 million barrels a day going into storage, maybe it's only 10 or 5. And that buys more time to allow the virus to run its course, to allow governments to restart the economy, have people start using gasoline again. And that's what will eventually balance the market. And that we're talking about, the second half of this year, probably.